Okay,
You didn't
so,
have a job.
listen.
Let's just stop saying you got a job.
So today's story in Judge O'Donnell's court is one we've seen in other courts before, and that's a defendant who is seemingly doing well on his probation and then all of a sudden falls off and has problems and finds himself back in court. This particular defendant, as you'll see, has struggles with mental health issues and depression and death in his family and all sorts of different things. But the judge asks a very simple question. Why are you mixing your mental health medications with street drugs? Because that's what he's there for. So take a look at this hearing, listen to the judge's questions, the defendant's reasons why what happened, and let me know your thoughts on the judge's ruling at the end. My name is Dan. This is the Courtroom Files. Judge O'Donnell, see what's going on there.
Charges contained in the probation violation. Thank you.
Is that correct, Mr. Hobbs?
Yes, sir.
All right, what's your plea to the violations?
Oh, guilty.
I'll accept your guilty plea and find you guilty. Well, what's the story?
Your Honor, you know that was, I'm human, so I make mistakes, but this was one of the dumbest mistakes that I've made in a long time. I was on a very good path. I still feel I'm on a very good path, you know what I'm saying, to change my life around. It was really stupid. I got no excuse for it at all. Like, and the fact, you know, that was just me just trying to not diminish the 18 months of good that I was doing. I was, you know, I had a job. I had a job getting $20 an hour. I was from 9 to 2. Like, I had something to do. I was taking care of my mother. Like, every little incident that happened, I was there for it. You know what I'm saying? So I had time to like do that. My sister died. You know, she died in my arms, so she's not here no more. That was my sister with Down syndrome. So that was kind of bad, but I've been doing good with my depression medicine, my anxiety. I've been working with that good. I got a lot of people who support me and been showing support. They've been seeing the change. And this was, you know, like, not to diminish it or nothing like that. It was a decision. Like, it ain't even
Well,
nothing.
what led to the decision?
I don't know. Like, bad energy came around me, and I was just being social, and, you know, I was wrapping up feeling like I was wrapping up my probation, and I just was like lazy with it and just, you know what I'm saying, like forgot really what was going on with that whole scene. So, you know, I just, hey, and just was being social with it, and it was just stupid. Like, it was a bad experience anyway, like, and it's not even on my radar to be doing something like that. Like, my life is going good. I actually got a movie that I only need 15 minutes of more footage left to finish a movie that I was supposed to be dropping this summer. And then I had the job, like, $20 an hour for me, like, without no...
Working where?
I had Evercare, like, a guy came and approached me about when I was helping my mother, and he said, you know, you get paid for that. And I said, no, so I went up on Pearl Road, they did the background, and he was like, yeah, you can get it. So 9 to 2, that's what I was doing, Monday through Friday. And I'm like, $20 an hour, like, you know, for y'all, it probably ain't nothing, but for me, and you know what I'm saying, my history on background and stuff, like, it was everything for me, like, and I was moving forward, my depression was doing good, I was, you know, I still don't go around people all like that, you know what I'm saying, that much, but I'm social, you know, I laugh and play, like, you know, the family lost, you know, my sister, and while I was in here, I missed my birthday, my son's birthday, which I was catching for like a year and a half straight. Like, I ain't been in here in a while. Like, I've been content and happy with the life I had. Like, I just made a stupid mistake. And it's stupider every day. I sit in here and be like, I cannot believe I ever let bad energy come into my life, because I've been positive energy, and I've been hoping that I've been showing improvement. Everybody around me been seeing like, hey, it's improvement. You've been doing better. Like, you know, they
You
believe in
still
me
going
now.
to Signature?
Yeah, so I even if I was off probation, I'm still with Signature. They do my medicines, they do my mental health.
What medicines you taking?
I take trazodone, I take Lipitor. I got diabetes, I got high blood pressure, I got depression, and I have anxiety, and I got
Okay.
PTSD. So
What-
I take a lot of stuff.
Okay.
I take a lot of stuff.
Take it every day?
Yeah, I keep up on that, and it's been working. Like, Signature is real good. I have zero problem with Signature. I have zero. They come get you. They give you you know, an Uber. You know what I'm saying? There and back. So I had no problem. It's a nice facility. Like, I got nothing bad to say about Senator Elf, so even if I wasn't on probation, I still would deal with them. Like, yeah, they help me out. Like, if I go down for depression or say something, like, they got counselors, like, yeah, they cool. Like, I'm still with them on the regular. So, and I plan on having them still help me out through this, like, you know, just keep me moving forward. They keep me focused. And I just been focused on my own. Like, you know, you had me take the little, you know, trust the process. And that's what I've been doing 18 months. That's why you ain't seen me. Like, you know, just let bad energy just come in. Like, I just make stupid mistakes every now and then. They dwindling down. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not gonna be perfect. I know that much, but I'm working on it. And I'm a work in progress, but it's been on the upside lately. Like, and stuff I've been going through, like my sister dying and stuff like that. I was right there. Like, I seen the lights go out in her eyes. Like,
When was that?
that was last year.
What month?
Actually, I think it was March. I think it was around my birthday.
All right. How often do you go to Signature?
Every time they need me, they call you to death. They call
Well,
a
how
lot.
often do you get the meds?
Oh, I get the meds all the time.
I mean, do you get a prescription for a certain period of time and then you have to renew
Yeah,
it?
yeah. They give you a prescription for them.
And how long does a prescription usually last for?
I think they 30 days. Like, they give you, you know, a bottle. So I think about like 30 days. Like, I still got some meds left right now. So maybe a little bit over. Some of them maybe a little bit over 30 days. Maybe a little bit. They left at least 30 days. They give me stuff to help me sleep because, you know what I'm saying, my mind race all the time. And they give me stuff for the anxiety because, like, when I'm around certain people sometimes, like, you know, still feel like the walls closing in. Like, I had an episode where I was in here, and they don't give you meds and stuff like that for in here.
How long you been in here now?
40 days.
Is that right, Dave, roughly?
41 days, Judge.
41.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
And it's rough being in here, like, especially at my age. Like, my body ain't built for it no more. That's why I'm through with any violations whatsoever. Like, I'm done with it.
I'm always interested to know how mental health medication, which is meant to, in some cases, to create a balance, a chemical balance, why you think that mixing that with marijuana or meth is a positive?
I didn't think, you know what I'm saying? That's the whole problem. Like, I let bad energy just come in, a bad vibe. I'm usually good vibes, good energy, and it just wasn't even my scene. Like, I've been away from it so long. Like, I just think I don't know. I just think I was just not thinking. It's just a bad decision. It was stupid. Like, it's not even my scene. Like, I've been gone so long from that whole scene anyway. Like,
Where are you living?
I'm staying still at my mom's, 26300 Bardale. Stable location, like, probably one of the best streets in Euclid off 260th. I still help her out. We've been real close since my sister passed. Like, you know, that was kind of big for the whole family. And they just had the repass just recently, last month. So I missed that. That had me up a couple of days. That's probably why I had that episode with the anxiety thing. So. But I'm trying though. Like, I'm gonna get it right if I can get a chance. Like, I've been adding a lot of positive things. I got like 41 certificates of stuff that y'all ain't even asked for. Like, I just got just trying to learn everything about me, about myself, about my surroundings, like about mental health, about diabetes, about law, about care service, everything I could get my hands on. Like, I got like 41 of them. I gave to Dave. Like, just a whole bunch of stuff. Like, just trying to move forward. It's hard. I had a rough life, you know. Like, but I know that ain't no excuse for nothing. But I mean, moving forward, I can just tell you that it's gonna be positive energy still. Like, if I did 18 months, I can do another whatever the courts tell me to do. Like, even without the courts, I'm gonna do that. Like, so many people didn't put trust in me and put faith in me. Like, they ain't used to do that. Like, now they kind of see like a difference. Like, yeah, they kind of believe in me a little bit.
All right, Mr. Mulkey?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you. My client's been very concerned about his future in light of his violations. He realized it was a dumb mistake. My understanding is he thought he might be going to prison. He used these substances before he thought he was going to be going. If given the opportunity, I'm sure he would change his behavior then. He indicates to me that he will not be using drugs or substances in the future. He will comply with his community control requirements. We'd ask this court to extend his community control, Your Honor, not consider prison for him. At this time, he understands some additional local incarceration might be part of his continued community control, and other more stringent conditions might be added as well, Your Honor. But he does take care of his mother, and he will follow the rules and regulations, and we would ask the court to take all of that into consideration. Thank you.
Okay, I'm going to continue you on community control. I'm going to serve 49 days in jail with credit for 41. And you're going to comply with the same terms essentially as to continue with signature and stop playing around with the drugs in all aspects of your life.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Tompkins, anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right, that's it.
7 days, 41 days.
Your Honor has asked me to inquire to the court if it's possible to waive the additional jail time so that he can get back to his life,
I
Judge.
try to keep
Well-
that job if I can, like.
Judge, he didn't have a job yet.
Okay,
You
so,
didn't have a job.
listen.
Let's just stop saying you got a job.
We was
okay?
on parole, and I got the
You don't
job.
have a job.
Why didn't I
All right,
work it?
49
I had a
days.
job.
Okie dokie, little dispute there about a job at the end. Hey, thanks for watching this clip from TCF Live. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. And you can join us weekdays live, 9 a.m. Eastern, 6 a.m. Pacific, right here on this channel.